The Chemical Guys Car Wash Water Reclamation Mat is the professional and responsible water containment system for detailers. Water containment systems prevent wastewater runoff into water supplies, storm drains, or delicate ecosystems. To use, simply unroll and inflate to capture water runoff. Each water containment mat comes with a fast action pump for fast inflation and deflation. Inflate the entire mat from one valve in seconds. Drive vehicles directly onto the inflated mat to wash them using water. The extra large 20-foot by 10-foot mat is perfect for large cars, trucks, and SUVs. Rinse down the vehicle and capture all the dirty water in the containment mat. Use your favorite pressure washer and premium Chemical Guys Auto Shampoo for fast and effective cleaning with less water in less time. EPA mandates and local laws often require containment and disposal of water runoff to prevent fouling of natural water supplies and environmental contamination. The professional containment mat is the only freestanding detailing containment mat. No need for tedious setup with heavy metal brackets or supports. Chemical Guys water reclamation mats are manufactured from professional grade polyvinyl for years of rugged detailing use. Use the professional grade mat for normal vehicles or the heavy duty mat for larger trucks, heavier SUVs, and rugged all-terrain vehicles and off-road toys. 4-inch high inflatable high-rise berms capture and hold wastewater and chemical runoff for collection and disposal. Without collection, runoff can enter storm drains and flow directly into natural bodies of water without any treatment. Collect wastewater for proper treatment and disposal for eco-friendly detailing. Rinse, wash, dry, and detail any vehicle using Chemical Guys water containment mat.